Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the GearIT adjustable punch-down impact tool. For anyone working with networking cables or phone lines, a reliable punch-down tool is absolutely essential. It's the primary instrument used to connect the individual wires of a cable onto the terminals of patch panels, keystone jacks, or other connection blocks. This particular model from GearIT comes packed with features designed to make the job easier and more efficient. First off, it has an adjustable impact setting. This is crucial because different types of blocks or wires might require more or less force to seat properly without damaging anything. The user can easily dial in the right amount of impact by twisting the end of the handle, ensuring a secure connection every time. It includes the standard 110 blade, which is the most common type used in modern networking installations. A key feature of this blade, and the tool itself, is the cut wired function. As the wire is punched down into the terminal, the blade simultaneously trims off the excess tail of the wire, leaving a clean and professional installation. This saves a step and makes the job much faster, especially when dealing with many connections. The blade is also interchangeable and reversible. While it comes with the 110, the tool design allows for other blade types if needed for different systems. The included 110 blade itself can be flipped to disable the cutting function if you only need to seat the wire without trimming it, offering versatility for various tasks. Handling the tool is made comfortable thanks to what GearIT calls the easy handle. It feels solid and provides a good grip, which is important when you're doing a lot of terminations. A really thoughtful addition is the spare blade storage built right into the handle. This means you always have a backup or the other side of the reversible blade right where you need it, reducing the chance of misplacing it in the middle of a job. Using this tool, one finds the process of terminating cables much smoother. The adjustable impact ensures a secure connection every time, and the integrated cutter saves a significant amount of time and effort. The convenience of having spare blade storage is a small detail that makes a big difference in the field or workshop, ensuring you're not left searching for a blade when you need it most.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.